व्हाट्स अप बॉयज। भाई मैंने शॉर्ट पेल लिया है, ठीक है। तो तुम भी शॉर्ट ले लो। इट लुक्स गुड टू मी एंड क्या ही बोलूँ मैं। भाई ले लो। मैं जस्ट मैनेज योर रिस्क रेस्ट, इट्स फाइन। हेलो हेलो, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड आफ्टरनून। सो अभी मैंने यहाँ पे शॉर्ट रखे हैं। मैंने दो पोजीशन बनाई है। एक में मेरा स्टॉप लॉस ये हाई है, which is our extreme high, but right now we have swept liquidity, so this looks really good to me. We have swept some immediate liquidity from here, again mitigated something within this. And intent shows that it's bearish. I am in this position. Let's see. Overall my intent says that this low is supposed to be taken out. Baki dekhte hain. Let's see how this moves. But yeah, make sure if you're not in, bhai, le lo yaar. It's gonna push. If not anything, at least I'm seeing price reaching within this. अगर ये फेल भी होता है, मे बी शायद ये विक से वापस ये रिएक्ट करे। तो जस्ट मैनेज योर रिस्क प्रॉपर्ली, बिकॉज देयर इज अ चांस लाइक we need to re-enter, or you can just enter with the uh, this entry, but managing your position in such a way that you're keeping your stop loss above this. Your risk will be 30 pips, and the position size uh, should be according to that, and you can expect 1:3. But right now I'm just going slightly aggressive and keeping my stops just right here, because it looks good. We have swept liquidity, so it's logical for me to do that. Let's see what next. Gold, what I'm seeing is prices to push down lower, something within this area, and then we'll see what happens in gold. अभी गोल्ड का क्या है, इसने इंटरनल रेंज लिक्विडिटी स्वीप करी है, यहाँ से भी भाग सकता है, बट आई वुड रियली लाइक टू सी it coming something within this area. Euro we have entered. भाई अगर यहाँ पे आ गया ना, it's gonna be a really good trade. Now we have only one setup honestly, and I don't really see anything happening everywhere else. In US 100, I'm not touching it because I'm confused at the moment. It has swept liquidity नीचे भी, it has swept liquidity ऊपर भी. Now if this holds and sustains, and let's say if it does something like this, it it hovers around this area, like it. What's wrong? Oh yeah. So let's say from here it push up higher. ये पहला पॉइंट भूल जाओ भाई, छोड़ो। हाँ, मैं कह रहा था अगर यहाँ से ऊपर जाए, नीचे आए, वापस ऊपर जाए, अगर if it try to consolidate and then sweep and then break, I will try to monetize this break part. Let's see how New York opens, but at the moment I'm not really very sure of the directions, because see what happened, we have marked this inefficiency, or inefficiency से prices ने react किया. Okay, the fair value gap, we can say this inefficiency was there. We actually tried to push up higher, retrace, again pushed up higher, slightly taken out this high. So there is a chance like we have liquidity ऊपर भी, there's a chance we might see prices pushing up higher and coming within this inefficiency levels, which is also a supply in some or the other time frame. So right now it's very confusing to say where it's heading. Prices are acting quite choppy. It can continue to push up higher as well. And if this high gets taken out, that means this high is definitely going. So as per that, we will just plan the position. But if it starts selling from here, there is a chance it might push down lower, and it accomplish the intentions of prices moving down lower to these areas and these areas. There's a fair chance of price doing that too. Also, there is a fair chance of prices pushing up higher. So right now, all we can do is just wait patiently and see how prices move. But ये वाली जो पोजीशन है ये चलने दो, ठीक है, दिस इज अ डिसेंट वन, चलने दो ये पोजीशन, ओके। सो मेजरली मेरा लाइव आने का रीजन यही था, लाइक टू गिव दिस ट्रेड अपडेट एंड द लॉजिक बिहाइंड इट. इफ यू जॉइन, nice. If you don't, it's nice because they are not here. uh Hello, Avinash bhai, Rudy. Oh, Rudy, this is something different. Hello भाई, बस बढ़िया, आप बताओ. गुड आफ्टरनून भाई, गुड आफ्टरनून. How many of you have entered boys in this trade? ची के चला रहा हूँ भाई, खुश रहो, खुश रहो, खुश रहो. ची के That's perfect, man. Thanks for showing up. Thanks, Mayank. You are active. Thanks, Mayank. You are active. Thanks, Mayank, for updating. I was saying that if you haven't entered in this trade, you can enter. If you want to be extra safe, you can keep this big ass stop loss if you want 30 pips. Yeah, let me check the count. 8 people. Bro. देखो, मिनिमम तुम्हारा पहला टारगेट है ना, ये तो होना ही चाहिए, लाइक होना ही चाहिए। 2.5 आर, इट्स हैपनिंग, इट्स गोइंग देयर, इट्स गोइंग, पक्का। ये तो पहला टारगेट पक्की बात है भाई, ये तो हिट होगा ही। मेरा अल्टीमेट टारगेट 1:8 के आसपास है। लेट्स सी। मागतो मी पांडुरंगा, फक्त एक मी जाने मुक्ती ऐसे। हम्म, अभी 1 घंटे में बैठ के देखते रहो, और क्या ही कर सकते हो, या फिर देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, यू कैन जस्ट सिंपली वॉक आउट। मैंने इसको देखा था यहाँ पे, आई वाज प्लानिंग टू शॉट द, ओके लेट्स वेट। ये और नीचे जाएगा यार, ये कम से कम यहाँ तक तो आएगा, so it's gonna fall more. Let's place a alert at this level and let's see if it reach. Yeah, bro, that's definitely there. It's gonna take its own sweet time. Oh, okay, tell me, can you listen to some music अभी? अभी मैं play करूँगा. You can? I mean, can you? Oh, okay. I need to mute this. I need to mute this. Okay. Yeah. I'll just make you listen what I'm listening to, okay? Just like very fat say because copyright आ सकता है. I know you don't have views, but still.
मागतो मी पांडुरंगा फक्त एक
Very soothing. हाँ भाई. Exactly. Oh, shit. No, no, this is Marathi song. I have the same way I had conviction in this shot, I have conviction in this shot till this area, this black line, which is 7921 level, 7918 levels. And if like depending on how it reacts, we'll just plan further. But मैं इतना तो अश्योर तो मैं देता हूँ, अश्योरिटी देता हूँ कि ये 1:2.5 तो हिट करेगा ही करेगा भाई। और मैं जब भी कॉन्फिडेंस से बोलता हूँ तो पता है व्हाट हैपेंस। Hmm. Hello, 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 hello. No, any class. Also, एक मिनट देखता हूँ मैं सर्च करके जो भी आप कह रहे हो वो है क्या, बिकॉज आई हैव नेवर heard of it. Oh. Ulo, Kilaso. Right. ऐसा ही सही बताओ, सोते कब हो, उठते because you always active on shots, सुबह 7 बजे या रात के 1 बजे। एक्टिव ऑन चैट्स तो नहीं होता यार, एक एक वो फोन में अलर्ट लेवल्स सारे लगाए रहता है, तो whenever I get notified, I don't care what time it is, and if I am awake, I just show up on charts. Not like setup, मैं फोन पे चेक कर लूंगा ऐसा। Believe I need a haircut, मैंने अभी हेयर कट किया था। लेट मी सी माय फेस, वेट, तुम भी देख लो। हाँ भाई, ट्रेड के बीच में क्या क्या। हाँ बस ठीक है। I'm not really focusing much on life, much on diet, much on gymming, my physical activities, my mental peace. I guess I need to start doing that. And even I'm not really like scaling much in trading, so I just need to focus on that too. I'm distracted, I feel. I just need to lock in. अगर आप में से कोई मेरे बाजू में रहता, मजे आ जाते। Complete lock in. What do you think? आप में से कितने लोग अगर let's say if I have to pick one individual would be willing to move to the place where I stay? Of course, on your cost. तुम तो बोलेगे हाँ हम सब आ जाएंगे। नहीं नहीं, योर कॉस्ट। बट हाँ, पैसे तो बनाओगे तुम। दैट्स फॉर श्योर। आकाश भाई कहाँ थे तुम? ट्रेड लिया आपने? बीच इज इम्पोर्टेंट, आई एग्री ब्रो, बीच इज इम्पोर्टेंट। आकाश, हैव यू एग्जीक्यूटेड दिस? आई वाज सुपर कन्विंस्ड कि ये तो जाएगा, इसलिए मैंने 3-4 बार पूछा। डू यू स्विम? Can't really save myself. I can, but can't save myself. Entered lead. अच्छा, but Akash bhai, you have another business that you are currently looking after, then wife and everything. How you gonna manage? Actually, I also want to create content, bro. Like it's so bad. I'm so bad. Man. So I wanted to do. I've been trying to do it from so long, and then I fucked up. I started it consistently, and then I was like, oh fuck. I again lost track. भाई गिने चुने चार चार लोग, मतलब पृथ्वी, आकाश, देव, Chetan joined recently, and Mayank is Dev's friend, so yeah, Mayank. How I can forget Broaz. Bro Apex या है about to pass। 400 चाहिए, अब ट्रेड लेने में फट रही है। होता है भाई, होता है। अभी मत लो। न्यूयॉर्क में abhi market, I'm not really seeing anything clear. So I would say just wait for New York to open, and mostly we'll be trading together. Okay. So chill, Madi. I would say, is it a eval or is it a P account? भाई उस दिन ट्रीडो एट हैंग हुआ था। मैंने क्या लकी उसके लिए अनएक्सपेक्टेड जिस दिन हैंग हुआ था। राइट। लास्ट फ्राइडे यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट? लास्ट फ्राइडे को हैंग हुआ था? आई डोंट रिमेम्बर। अच्छा, हुआ होगा। तभी शायद मेरी पोजीशन थी क्या तभी? वेट, वेयर आई वाज ऑन फ्राइडे? आई डोंट फकिंग रिमेम्बर मैन। I was not on your stream. Then whose stream you're watching, bro? That's so bad if you're not watching. Like, if you are not watching my stream and if you're watching someone else, then that's bad. If you're trading by your own, that's good. It helped me stop over trading. Like being in the stream or not being in the stream. What helps stop over trading? We say if you see, this trade was more of a swing trade. The trade that we executed was more of a this achieved thoda jaldi, accomplished jaldi. So this was a good one. इसमें थोड़ा time लगा, but higher time frame does some wonders that it's actually I was not on your stream. It helped me stop over trading. Oh fuck, you are saying that when you are with me, you over trade. That's so bad. भाई मैं तो ट्रेड देता भी नहीं जैसे अभी मैंने ट्रेड दिया और मोस्टली ब्रो इट्स विनिंग स्ट्रीक गोइंग ऑन ओह ओके नो नो इट्स फाइन समझ गया भाई चल 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 भाई अपना अभी ट्रेड चलने दो मैं और तो इसमें कुछ ऐड वैड तो नहीं कर सकता तो ना ही हमें हमारा यहाँ से कोई बायस बन रहा है लॉन्ग्स वॉन्ग्स लेने का गोल्ड में तो गोल्ड में मैं तो शांति से बैठूंगा आई वोंट बी टचिंग गोल्ड or doing any of the nonsense things because my intent is not like very clear here. The one thing I'm seeing right now at the moment immediately is that there's a very, very, very fair chance that from this area we can actually see a potential push down, maybe to this 5,100 areas. Okay. So there's a very good chance that you might see prices coming to this. I don't see, at minimum price has to test this range high. I know this. So this convince me कि यहाँ से ये नीचे गिर सकता है. बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हम एंट्री ले लेंगे. अगर आप में गूदा है और आप में रिस्क एपेटाइट है, सोच सकते हो. दिस इज मोर ऑफ अ रिस्कियर अप्रोच if you plan to enter, assuming that you enter at the current area. This is more of a riskier approach. Of course, it's logical. Of course, this looks good. Of course, we do have liquidity available, but अगर यहाँ से एक ऑर्डर फ्लो बने और वो 1 मिनट में शिफ्ट हो, तब प्लान कर सकते हो आप एंट्री. भाई डिपॉजिट विड्रॉल का क्या सीन है फॉरेक्स में, प्लीज टेल. If you are going through the broker that we are suggesting, I can assure you that the process and deposits withdrawals would never be stuck. Okay, I can assure you this. And if you want the link, I will just update in a while. Uh, I believe it's high time now. I need to open a Telegram channel to add more people to it. Mm-mm. Bro, if you're hanging around, just give me a minute. Yeah. So I will just update you with the link. You can check the link that I have updated just right now. I'm pinning the. Oh shit. I have updated what trading view link. Crazy. यहाँ पे ब्लूटूथ चालू है, यहाँ पे ये सब चालू है. So ideally it's weird. अच्छा, इधर का ब्लूटूथ नहीं चालू है. अभी होगा. Yes. You can just click on this link. I'm pinning this link. So yeah. And also, you can trail your stops above this high, just this high, not like break even or anything of that sort. Prices still can approach to your area and kick you out. So that's the reason, never trail your stops to break even. If you have entered, you have accepted the probability of this trade going wrong with a 10 pip stops. Approximately 10 pip stops is what I have given. Now you can trail it to 8. So you can reduce 20% of your stop size. If you are risking $10, you will be risking $8 now. So yeah, you can trail it to this high. वैसे 1:1 तो चल रहा है ये ट्रेड अपना. या 1:1 तो चल रहा है. तो बाकी मैनेज कर लोगे इसके आगे? देखो यहाँ पे तुम चाहे तो अपने हिसाब से आधी पोजीशन निकाल सकते हो। मैं वही टाइम पे अपडेट करूंगा जब प्राइसेस यहाँ आएगी। अभी फिलहाल के लिए आई एम होल्डिंग इट ओपन एंडेड। मैंने टीपी लगाया नहीं है। आई एम कीपिंग इट ओपन एंडेड. My stops are fixed, which is at this level, but my TP, the room to the downside is big. But I'm not sure if it's gonna reverse from here or if it's gonna push down low. So depending on how the current price action moves, or how exactly currently prices move in this thing, it will completely be depending on that. जिस तरह की price action होगी उस तरह हम actions लेंगे, and we'll see how it goes. I'm pretty sure the Feb month, like just last 2 weeks, are crazy. Like we have made decent, more than decent, just with the trades I called out. Saved reels कहाँ है? Saved reels, where's that? Uh, 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 uh. Hmm. Yes, sir. At the moment, we can say that so far markets are treating us well. Euro USD, like it start working in our favor, it works. And all of the trades, surprisingly, are just higher time frame trades, no smaller time frame executions. So that's insane. But yeah, continue to hold your trades, boys. I will be seeing you all in the evening and also will be updating on chat with what's happening. And I'll be seeing you all uh evening में. See you. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye. और कुछ हो तो बोल दो, बट नहीं तो बाय बाय तो बोल ही सकते हो तुम सालो. बाय. टेक केयर. चलने दो ट्रेड अपने अपने. स्टॉप लॉस ब्रेक इवन नहीं करना.